How to delete cover photo on Pinterest business account. If you want to remove the cover photo from your Pinterest business account, follow these steps to customize your profile just the way you like. Open the Pinterest app and go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. On your profile page, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Edit Cover Image. To remove the cover photo from your profile, tap the Remove Cover button at the bottom of the screen. A confirmation window will appear, notifying you that the deletion is permanent and that the cover photo cannot be restored once deleted. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm your choice by tapping the Delete button. After this, the cover photo will be removed, leaving your profile without a cover image. And that's it! Your Pinterest business account has now been updated without a cover photo. You can always upload a new cover photo anytime to refresh your profile's appearance. Stay tuned for more tips to help you make the most of your Pinterest business account. Thank you for watching. For more useful tutorials, subscribe to our channel.